What is up, guys? Backyard Family Builds back with another video, and today we are going over a F-body Camaro. um, we have did the seat swap, as you can tell, and I am going to go over with you today about what you need to do to get these into your Camaro or Firebird or whatever other vehicle that you're thinking about swapping some Camaro seats in. All right, so today, well, right now I'm on the passenger side. So as you can see, these are the original tracks to this vehicle, okay, on the passenger side. All right, so bear with me 1 second. Here we have in the fire pit the original seats. We have, this is the driver's seat now, okay. Now, all right, to remove this, you go where that bolt is there. Excuse my finger, I pinched it, my nail. Okay, so that bolt, and then you got one back there, and then, on the other side. 1 second. So we're back on the passenger seat. You see the track is removed. I took this track for the passenger seat. All right, so 4 corners for the bolts. You remove that by sliding the track. You're going to need 2 people. So to slide it, because the track's not going to slide just one whole unit. All right, so up top here, it's gonna bolt all up. It's gonna bolt there, it's gonna bolt on the other side. You can see I got the bolt there. Okay, so I bolted it up. All right, now at the rear, I can't show you guys, but at the rear, the track, the hole is gonna almost line up to that hole, to what you're gonna be bolting up here too. Okay, you're gonna be bolting up here too. All right, now this is the track. All right, so, all right, guys, you're gonna get you a drill. You're gonna drill out the hole where you match it up to. Okay, so you can bolt that top up on both sides, bolt them up. Get your drill, and drill back here, drill your hole out on both sides. And then you can take the bolt that you use to unbolt from the original seats, the original track, I mean, you can use those for both of the rear. That's what I did, size 13. Okay, so now you got your track on here. All right, you're gonna place this in the car. All right, you're gonna notice on the passenger side track over here, it's gonna be uneven. You're gonna get a spacer. Okay, so what I used was some thick pipe. All right, very thick pipe. All right, and then to make it look good, tape it around, make it look, good. And then I got a big bolt, okay, and sent it through, drilled my hole, sent it through, big bolt at the bottom. Got my washer and my bolt, boom, it's not going anywhere. All right, wifey didn't set all around here, jerked on, it's not going anywhere. This is all the way going to the floor. Okay, so you don't want to do it at the carpet and then, it's not going to work. You got to go all the way to that floor with this pipe. So that way there's no wobbling. All right, at the rear in the corner, I just used 2 thick spacers. 2 thick spacers in the rear and the corner, leveled the seat out. All right, driver's side. The driver's side, this is original. Okay, I didn't take the track out. All right, this is the original track right here. Okay, so I couldn't, because how this seat is, it's not like the passenger side where you can take the track off and then excuse me, but it's not like that. This seat's completely weird when you flip it up under there, so you can't really take the track off. You need to be able to um center it. Now, as you can tell from the original in here, that's pretty dead on as far as where the seat is going to be sitting for comfort. You got to think for comfort too, where this seat placement is going to be. All right, so we got the power going on. Just show y'all what I did here at the rear for this side. Slide them on up. See the seat sliding up. Got my bolt there at the back. All right, I never drilled this out. I didn't want to go right there because I didn't know if it was gonna make contact, so I just did them close at the end. All right, same thing right here. Got my spacer, got my big bolt, sent it on through, you know, and there you go. You can see I'm wobbling this seat all day. This seat, the frame not moving, track's not going nowhere. Use your impact too. Get a nice lock, tight grip down. Like I said, and the seats ain't going nowhere. Seat belt swap. Yeah, for the, you know, the two front seat belt swap, but that already comes on here. So I just removed the original ones, putting, you know, threw the seats in. Now I did the carpet dye too. The carpet was originally brown. 1 second. This is what I used for the carpet right here. Just add water. Put it in a bottle, spray bottle. This right here, spray and have at it, go to work. And I took the center console out, just putting it back in for the client, and everything went back in. That's how it should. He brung the back seats to me, but you know how this tunnel right here can't do nothing with the back seat. So I told him just take them to a upholstery shop and just get these just get them upholstered, and